Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Christy, and your boss, I believe, and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff, and the company is Belanger Solutions. The point of the video is just to show you how to increase the value of your company online. I wanted to go over a couple key factors: content, backlinks, and citation. Obviously, this is a search bar, and everything you type into here are keywords that play a big factor in your content and your keywords in your homepage. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for the keywords that are typed in here through the content on the websites that best fit what you're searching for. And then these websites and the content in them, Google categorizes these based on that and creates the rank structure. Everything underneath the Google Maps is your ranking structure, organically ranked. Of course, you have advertisements, Yelp, and you have nationals like AAA. Backlinks and citations are also important to have. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build trust. It creates popularity. Citations or referring domains is name, address, and phone number, anywhere that would show up as it is in your Google business profile. If you don't have one, highly recommend you build one. It directly connects your business to citations, and citations and Google business profiles is what helps you rank in this map. So, a lot of times people search food near me, car near me, gas near me, and the first thing you get is the map. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, etc. Now, so what I'm getting at is I did auto repair Columbia, South Carolina, because that's where you guys are out of, but your website didn't pull up. It seems like this is a one page, and then you choose which way you want to go here. But you didn't pull up on the first page of Google, which just what I'm getting at is lowering your exposure rate. So I wanted to show you how this works. I picked number 2 here, Danny's Automotive. He's on the first page. So when the keywords are typed in, Auto Repair Columbia, Danny's on the first page. This is his website. This is his overview. He has 661 backlinks. You have 45. You have 21 referring domains. He has 54. He's got 619 keywords, and keywords and content are crucial to the 10. Now, this is what generates a lot of traffic. There's a lot of exposure here. So when you're typing into Google and you're looking for a certain thing, depending on what you have, is how you rank. To give you an idea of the volume that is searched per month, aside from the ones that have his name in them: auto repair, Columbia, South Carolina auto repair, mechanic Columbia, mechanic in Columbia. This just gives you an idea of the exposure rate per month that comes with the correct keywords and content in a website. So with that being said, what I wanted to, you know, understanding that content and backlinks and citations, when they come together, they help you outrank. You'll quickly see the value of your business. Google will move you up to the first page. You'll have more exposure. I mean, let's be honest, most people don't scroll past the first page of Google. You get in there, you start looking around, you don't see what you want right away, and you're like, okay, I'm out of here, and you move on. I just want to thank you for your time. Hopefully, you get a little better insight as to what's going on and what it takes to rank, and hopefully this information was had some value to it. It was helpful for you. If there's anything I can do for you, find out exactly what is realistic for your business. I wouldn't mind talking to you. I just want to thank you for your time. I hope this was helpful. Thank you, and hope you have a great day.